everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to share a really simple 2-ingredient remedy related to hair care. During winter season, dandruff is a really common problem that most of us suffer from. I personally have normal scalp skin which turns dry during winter season because of the cold weather outside, and also because I can't bathe in cold water or lukewarm water. I use warm or little warmer water to wash my hair, which results in more dandruff and more itchiness. So yeah, but remember, you should always use lukewarm water to wash your hair or shampoo your hair. That is the best way to wash your hair. But I just can't bathe in cold water or lukewarm water during winter season. So yeah, my scalp and my hair suffers because of that. So for instant relief from dandruff, I like to use anti-dandruff shampoo, but the results only last for 1 day or mostly 2 days, and then back to the point where we started, back to zero, and the dandruff comes all over again onto my scalp. So I'm going to share a really wonderful home remedy for dandruff cure, and trust me, it removes 80 to 90% of your dandruff in the single use itself, and you have to use it to believe it. But I have personally experienced this and it's really amazing. I've been using this hair mask for a really long time, I guess 10 to 15 years, and it has always worked for me. So I'm sure this will help you as well. So it is a really simple and effective hair mask which is made up of 2 really popular kitchen ingredients. First one is fenugreek seed or methi. Fenugreek seeds contains niacin and protein, which is beneficial for overall hair and scalp health. In Ayurveda, it is considered as hot food, so you need to soak it to maximize its benefit. And fenugreek seed is rich in vitamins and is a storehouse of minerals and is considered as the best natural ingredient when it comes to hair care. And the second ingredient is apple cider vinegar. It's made from apples using a fermentation process, enriching it with live cultures, minerals and acids. It is antimicrobial, meaning it can help fight bacteria and fungus that results in dandruff and itchiness. It contains alpha hydroxy acid, which helps exfoliate scalp skin and thus helps to eliminate dandruff. I'm using this Health Viva apple cider vinegar and adding it to approximately 2 spoons of methi. I'm adding approximately twice the amount of ACV into the fenugreek seed or methi. If you have sensitive scalp or skin, please dilute the vinegar with water before adding it to the seeds. Now let it soak overnight and you will see that the seeds have soaked up all the vinegar. Now add 2 spoons of water and blend it until a thick paste is formed. And next, apply this paste onto your scalp by dividing your hair in sections so that the mask covers maximum part of your scalp. This quantity is appropriate for 2 applications, and reduce the quantity to half if it is supposed to be used by only 1 person. This mask should be used the same day it is prepared, so you cannot store it. If the quantity is more than required, then you can apply it to your hair strands as well, because it contains minerals, proteins and vitamins that will enrich your tresses and also help in maintaining its pH, resulting in shiny and softer hair. So now try to sit at some place that can be cleaned easily to avoid dirty rugs and clothes, because this mask can get a little messy and also you may not like the smell of it because it contains vinegar, so be prepared for that. Now let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes and then wash it with water so that the mask is removed from hair and scalp, and after that wash your hair with shampoo to remove any residue and smell of vinegar. So this particular hair mask removes 80% to 90% of my dandruff in a single use itself. And if you have severe dandruff problem, make sure to use it twice a week for a month regularly, and you will be amazed with the result. It's really good for your scalp and for hair, and of course you will get relief from your dandruff for sure. And along with masks, shampoos, conditioner, anything that you are using, please stay hydrated, keep drinking water. So yeah, that is it. I really love filming this video for you guys, and I love it when you tell me that my home remedies work for you. So I really hope this one also works for you, and please leave your feedbacks down in the comment section below. So yeah, that's it. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and this video will be useful for you. And yeah, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that we can stay connected, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.